Only see when you guys like this only yan
Ano, call me on WhatsApp pa. Call me on WhatsApp. I don't want to talk to you. Wait, sister ko na call.
Para ma-apply na
Ito
nila.
lang ang babayaran niyo. 116.
When 5 is.
Before your goes to your house, plenty vegetable as your house. That's why I really know you guys. I can't call them. Hi Manong. Hi Manong. Manong, you still remember me? You still remember us? See, your neighbor in Chinatown before, the Ilocana. Si Banji. You still have some Manong. Only the hair. No more. Yeah, we're getting old. Oh, we're getting old. Manong. Stop. That's true. Few times. Oo, Manong. Nakilala ko si Mrs. mo. I remember her. Yeah. That's why I say hi. I'm just looking for your son, the one that keep on fighting. Yeah, Manong. Magpagaling ka, Manong, ha? Okay, Manong. Thank you. Nakita pa kita. Okay, Manong. Would you please me? Evangeline, siguro. Wait, darling. Check that. Return.
Wala matay because hindi. Because I
Yeah, even it's blurry and dry.
So what happens in these? And I go along.
put medicine.
Yeah. Little bit short. My daughter. Just go. Okay. That's problem. What grade are you? Not sure. How old are you? 4, 5. Oh, supposed to be kinder. Next year, sister, first grade. Not kinder. Still kinder? You going to
You're waiting for the psychiatrist. You're gonna check the developing. Because hindi nagsalita o di konti. Parang ibang language.
in Chinese, you can't pay. It's sakit. Ini Chamorro. Sila medicine ball. Pilipino ang Chamorro sila ball. No? No? You look like your grandpa. Look like grandpa. Still working, I know, retired your dad already.
Just imagine. Think 4 times though. First time, it was 2000 something. Kumusta na yun? Very hard.
Before myself, after that, almost,
Nag-seizure siya.
So,